Experience the height of business success here on our open house. Enjoy the advantages of having a small home office in the heart of the country's fastest growing business center. Located within the 244-hectare Philinvest corporate city, Civic Prime is strategically positioned to benefit the rapid growth of the southern satellite city. Nestled conveniently in the city's main commercial center, Civic Prime provides you with everything you need. Across the street to Festival Supermall, the region's premier shopping destination. Just a few steps away is South Station, a retail and bargain center where scores of people and public utility vehicles converge daily. At Civic Prime, you can take pleasure in having the luxury of arranging the unit of choice, whether for corporate or home office setting. Lower levels will be designed to commercial, retail, and exclusive office units, while upper level units have the option of a home office setup. The 5th to 10th floor levels are intended for the small office, home office, or SOHO units, which are Civic Prime's main offering. Enjoy quality features like full bathroom and provision for pantry and work in utter comfort and convenience. A separate ground floor lobby and exclusive elevators ensure security and privacy for residents of the SOHO units. With all these features, imagine the vast potential your unit holds, whether you decide to set up a shop or lease it out to enjoy high rental income. Building facilities and features for Civic Prime include a grand main lobby, as well as a separate lobby for the SOHO units, 24-hour security center, individual mail pigeonholes, integrated multi-level basement parking, an elevator for commercial retail and office units, 2 dedicated elevators for SOHO units servicing the 5th level to 10th levels, a centralized garbage disposal system, automatic fire alarm and sprinkler system, standby generator, underground and overhead water storage tanks. Give your business the winning edge with a location that comes with unbeatable quality and excellent value. Civic Prime. Definitely your best business choice. For inquiries, call 850-1818 or email civicprime@philinvestcorpcity.com or visit www.civicprime.com.